I'm Y2J. I've been living in Christchurch, New Zealand for the past 33 years. And this is why I love Christchurch. Today I'm going to give you a little mini tour of things I like to do here in Christchurch, starting right here in the Botanical Gardens. This is the Avon River. It snakes its way through the city centre of Christchurch. And you can go punting on the Avon if you want to too. You'll also see paradise shell ducks. You see the brown one with the white head? That's a female paradise shell duck. In Maori they're called putangitangi. That means very noisy. They can be very territorial ducks. Very aggressive, very noisy. But not so much the females, they're pretty cool. That is Canterbury Museum. It's free. The art gallery is totally free, man. No bullshit. And this is one fucking cool coffee shop. Roll the clip. But you know, you don't have to go to C1 Espresso to get sliders. I go to this place, the Pedal Pusher in Addington. I'm so hungry. Let the good times roll. But by far, my most favoritist part of Christchurch are the two zoos, Willowbank and Orana Park. Mari challenged me to do this video, but I'm not going to drive all the way over there. But at Orana Park, you can feed the rough lemur. Roll the clip. Willowbank, you can also feed the ringtail lemur. Roll the clip. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this little snapshot of what it's like here in my city, my hometown of Christchurch, New Zealand. Did you like the video? Was it interesting? Did you learn anything? Leave a comment. And if you're Murray Johnson, how about you subscribe to my channel? That would be cool. See you guys.